Curious about the fuse box locations in your 2010 to 2018 Tata Indigo E-CS? This guide provides detailed diagrams and explanations to help you manage electrical components efficiently and confidently. Engine compartment fuse box. Fuse box near firewall CR4. Fuse box near firewall TCIC. Fuse box near firewall MPFE. Cabin compartment under dashboard fuse box. The cabin compartment fuse box protects essential electrical components inside the vehicle, such as interior lighting, infotainment, and climate control. It prevents circuit overload by housing multiple fuses with specific amperage ratings. Cabin compartment under co-driver's seat. The fuse box under the co-driver's seat provides circuit protection for essential vehicle functions. It is securely positioned for safety and accessibility. This location allows for easy maintenance and quick fuse replacements when needed. Near battery maxi fuse box. The maxi fuse box near the battery houses high amperage fuses that protect essential electrical circuits. It ensures safe power distribution to major components. Its location allows easy access for maintenance and quick fuse replacements when needed.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse, glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse, ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse, PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse, fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.